In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer in the Dawn theme on Shopify. If you've ever wondered how to give your online store a more personal touch, especially at the bottom of your pages where important information often resides, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive into the process, step by step, ensuring that your footer reflects the unique branding of your store. First, start from your Shopify homepage where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you want to navigate to the section labeled Online Store in the left-hand menu. This section is pivotal because it is essentially the gateway to all your store's aesthetics and customizations. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface if it's new to you. It'll be a valuable skill to have as you grow your online business. Upon clicking Online Store, you'll notice a new range of options unfolding. Here, shift your focus to the Customize button. This is your toolbox for tinkering with your store's theme and layout. Go ahead and click on Customize. You are now in the Theme Editor, where you can see how your store will appear to your customers. It's a live preview that reflects all changes immediately, making it highly user-friendly and efficient. Now, direct your attention to the left sidebar, and you'll see an array of sections listed. Scroll down until you find Footer. Clicking on Footer will open up the editing pane for that section itself. This part of your store often contains vital information like contact details, social media links, and possibly even quick links to popular pages. This is where you can truly leave your personal mark. After clicking on Footer, the actual fun begins. Customize to your heart's content. Perhaps you want to add a special message or update your business hours. Maybe you're keen to integrate your social media icons with a new hyperlink to your latest profile. The possibilities are endless. Just keep in mind that a clean and informative footer can greatly enhance the navigation for your customers while subtly reinforcing your brand's presence. Once you've made all desired adjustments and everything looks just right, it's crucial not to forget this last step, clicking Save. This action secures all your edits so they appear live on your store. Remember, any changes not saved will remain in limbo until you take this simple yet vital action. That wraps up our guide to editing the footer in the Shopify Dawn theme. As you familiarize yourself more with the Shopify interface, you'll find that tailoring the look and feel of your online store can be both satisfying and straightforward. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a quick refresher or decide to make further tweaks. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.